It's 7 in the morning. We're very, very tired. We are in Hanoi still. We are about to go downstairs and get some breakfast, and then we are getting picked up because we are going on a boat tour, private boat tour around Halong Bay, which we're really excited for. Everything's included, all our food, nice vegan food. A friend had actually been on this tour before and recommended it to us because it's not with a company or anything, it's just with a guy who has a boat, and he takes you to all the cute idyllic spots around Halong Bay and Cát Bà. We are really, really looking forward to this part of our trip because obviously it's such a highlight of Vietnam to go Halong Bay. Off we go!
Even if I wanted to, and I can't change. Even if I try, my love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm.
After a day of cycling around like Cát Bà and the little island and village, we're on our boat and it's lovely, and we got it all to ourselves, which is amazing, and the sun is setting and it's in my eyes. I'll give you a little tour.
Hello!
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 And this is our lovely captain. Hello! This is our living room area, little dining room. And this is the bedroom, and it's so cute, and it's all open so you get a lovely view to wake up to, and we got a little bathroom. And then the favourite part of the boat for me is the roof deck, which I will show you now. Hello!
Oh,
hi.
Hello.
This is the boat. Look how gorgeous this view is. Wow.
Oh, yay!
So we have pulled up into this little bay. We're in Halong Bay now, and probably the best part of being on a private boat is you can see there is absolutely not one other boat around, and it is so peaceful. Oh, it's just blissful. We are having such a lovely time. So we've pulled up into this bay here, and you can see like the crystal clear waters, and then we're going to walk through into this cave here, and then we're going to go kayaking all around these rocks and try and find a little hidden church.